Did you see what altcoins did today when the Bitcoin spot ETF news broke that it was approved? Obviously, it was fake. It was a rumor. It wasn't real. But the question for you, did you see what altcoins did? This is a huge, huge reveal, a glimpse of the next bull cycle. And in this video, I want to explain why. So hit the subscribe if you're not a subscriber, everybody. Turn those notifications on because they're heating up in terms of crypto cycles. We're getting ready for the next bull cycle. And this is where it becomes so important. So let me explain very briefly and simply why this is such a big deal. Today, we had this huge thing where the Bitcoin spot ETF, it was rumored to be approved. Crypto was moving. Bitcoin moved like $2,000, broke $30,000 briefly. And this was all like within minutes, right? This took place within minutes. But altcoins moved as well. And we have a lot of different lessons learned today. Obviously, we see the manipulation that happens in crypto. We see how fragile this space is. We're talking, it's just $1 trillion market cap. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. In terms of the entire crypto market cap, Bitcoin and altcoins combined, $1 trillion. And a lot of people have left. It is that early stage where a simple rumor on X can just absolutely move markets so simply. And this is something that has been cycles in the making. People have been waiting for, you and I have been waiting for institutional money to really enter the game. And this whole spot Bitcoin ETF narrative, it's a very, very big piece of that. It didn't happen. Now, let's talk about why this is so big for the next bull market, in particular in regards to altcoins. And here's why. So we know in bull markets and bear markets, we see crypto up, we see it down, we see Bitcoin in bear markets just hold up better, right? So altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin in bear markets, more volatile, more aggressive, they're down more. That's why holding Bitcoin in bear markets is a very popular play for a lot of people out there. Maybe you like to just move your altcoins to Bitcoin in a bear market because it's likely that your Bitcoin will hold up better, will hold value more than your altcoins. There is no secret that that's how these cycles work. No secret at all. But here's where things become very glaring to me. And that is this. The bear market that we just survived and then we just went through is almost over. I really think that. And that's all this is. This is my thought. This is my opinion. I think it's almost over. And the cycles are shifting. The pendulum is swinging into the next bull cycle. The Bitcoin halving is approaching very quickly. And what happened today, the fact that altcoins moved, they moved bullish off of this Bitcoin spot ETF news was a glimpse of what we will see in the next cycle. And I know that Bitcoin, I believe Bitcoin kind of outperformed in the shorter term. And this happened so quickly. We didn't really get a chance to see how markets would play out. Oftentimes we see bullish news, Bitcoin moves first. Maybe that night, hours later, altcoins start moving to the upside, start going bullish. Maybe in the week to follow, they start going bullish. We didn't have the opportunity to see that play out. But what I will say is look at this Bitcoin dominance chart. So there's two things in play right now. This is why I'm doing this video. Number one, look at the previous bull markets. So go back a couple cycles to 2017 bull market. You can see Bitcoin dominance falling. That's just what it did in a bull market. And that could be considered kind of an alt season. And that's when we get alt season. It's in bull markets. It's post-halving. Go back to the last Bitcoin bull market, crypto bull market. You can see Bitcoin dominance falling yet again in the last bull market in these green rectangles. Now, let's speculatively look at the next bull market after the next Bitcoin halving. So point number one, altcoins, I think this data is going to repeat. And I think altcoins in the next bull market are going to outperform Bitcoin dominance. I think Bitcoin dominance is going to fall once more in the coming cycle. But this is why this is so big. This time around, we have this bullish, ultra bullish narrative. That is the institutional narrative. And not only that, we have this regulatory clarity narrative. What happens if Coinbase wins the case over SEC, amongst other things, SEC losing other cases? What happens with that on top of the institutional narrative? On top of the very fact that for the first time, I don't know if you've noticed, Congress kind of taking, well, many in Congress taking this pro-crypto approach. And what happens? November 2024 elections? What happens? We start getting just a more pro-crypto administration potentially in play. These narratives are things that we've never seen in cycles past. So we have two things stacking up right now. Number one, the very fact that just data alone, charts alone, altcoins outperform Bitcoin in bull markets. That alone could repeat. And then number two, this could be the first macro bull cycle where we have all of these narratives that we've never had before. And we're talking about trillions upon trillions of dollars potentially entering these markets. We got a glimpse today. Altcoins reacted very positively to this institutional narrative of a spot Bitcoin ETF being approved. They are going to react very nicely, I think, when the ETF finally is approved, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be eventually. Many people think that. But not only that, every other narrative we have going on, I think altcoins are going to perform well. So today was a very, very telling thing that happened. It was fake news. It wasn't real. It didn't happen. But what we saw happen, I think, was very telling. And that is to say, it wasn't just Bitcoin that moved. Altcoins moved too. Altcoins reacted positively and bullishly off of this news. And so not only do I think cycles are going to repeat and altcoins are going to do well in the next bull cycle, but they could more powerfully do so in this next cycle because of all of these narratives, in particular, the institutional investing and institutions coming in by the trillions into the crypto market. So let me know your thoughts, everybody, in the comments below. I'm curious of your thoughts. These are just my thoughts. That's all it is. Me tracking the journey, talking a little bit about today and what happened today. And I think we're getting close to the next cycle. Let me know what you think. I really, truly appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.